Green light.
I'm too cool for any of this. Ooh, I love this. It's so
Oh, I see doll.
Red light. Wait, what's going on? Oh, such a pretty boy. Oh, do you want to go out with me? Why are you laughing?
She wants it.
Am I ugly? Oh. I need a makeover. I want to be beautiful.
Hey, I brought you this. This will make you beautiful.
I can't wait. Oh, I know what to try first. I heard this works like magic. Whiten paste?
For white teeth like these.
Huh, okay, let's do this. So I just put it in here and then in my mouth like this. I have to turn it on. Oh!
It's time. Remove it.
How do I look?
Ah, my eyes!
Huh? What's wrong with him? Oh no! Whoa! Huh? My acne is really bad. What can I do? Oh, right, the magic beauty box. Oh, this is it. I need a mask. I wonder if this will make my face better. Well, we'll see. Now we wait. Oh no! Shutting down.
4 hours later. Oh, doll, I have... Oh, hey! Oh, I know. I just have to charge her. Okay, doll, time to reboot.
What happened? Oh no! Oh! Ah!
She does look awful. Nothing a little makeup won't fix. Okay, a lot of makeup, but still.
Oh, I feel much better now.
Well, of course. You're welcome.
Oh, what can I find in here for leg hair? For waxing. I know exactly how to do this one. Or do I? Well, it smells nice. Let's warm the wax up. I hope this takes the hairs out. 1, 2, 3. Not the cables, only the hair. Oh no. Maybe not. Okay, time for a new challenge. Too much of a challenge. Oh, no, no, no! Ah! Okay, I can live with this. Oh, maybe this will help. Now I just have to roll them up. All the way up. Almost done. Okay, done. No. Oh no! Why is it stuck? My hair! Oh. I know what I have to do. A little bit here. Oh, and a little bit there too. That's it. Oh. And what's this? I look like Chewbacca. Oh, my beauty box must have something. This looks painful. I'm not sure. Oh, I think this will work. Oh, yay! Oh no! Oh no, wait! My hair!
Let's take some selfies for Insta.
Oh, I need that.
Oh.
This has to be it. Oh,
I can still look better than you. Huh.
The beauty box. It must have more. I can't see anything. I'll guess. I'll try. And I lightly tap it just like the tutorial say. Matte lipstick. Yes, that's what I was missing. I hope I look amazing. Oh! Wow! Luckily, they came off easily. Better. I think I need to get rid of my glasses. Maybe I can find some contacts in the beauty box. I knew I would find them. Contact lenses. How will they look on me? Well, my eyes are not that color. I don't think they match with my outfit. No. Let's change them back to my natural color. That's more like it. I can finally see. Now I can start, but not with this brush. I know of a sneaky tip everyone loves. I just tap a little bit. I love this color. I want it right now. I just have to lightly tap it on my eyelids. There. I did a really good job. Achoo! How this happened? Back to normal. I'm going to use this to make my eyes so pretty. I know exactly how the tutorial goes, so this won't be difficult. Oh, definitely not. There must be something in here to fix me. I know a hack. All I need is some tape. Now I scribble a little with a marker, maybe even draw something pretty. My laser powers are so useful. There, a perfect wing. I need tweezers for precision. Oh, perfect. What's this awful smell? Oh no, it's from my laser eyes. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, pretty stickers. Just what I need to make myself more beautiful. I love both stars and hearts. I'll put 3 on each side. Oh, that's not 3 on each side. Oh, much better. But I'm missing something. Some blush. Yeah. This is gonna be so pretty. Oh, I love it. It looks so cute. Now for the other side. Oh no, it's stuck. That's not supposed to happen. Oh god, help! Oh yes, now it's perfect. Now I will have many friends. This can do. I need a new dress. I'll just order it online. Yes, and I need a quick delivery.
Here you go. It has arrived.
Oh, it's here. Oh, I love it. And it fits me like a glove. Maybe I need gloves too.
The same dress? Really? No fashion sense.
Maybe I should use some perfume to be more attractive. Okay, just a little bit. Oh, I love it.
Doll, what's wrong?
Oh, I love that smell.
What a base.
But what's happening?
Huh? No, amateur. The scented oils are for you. You're a machine. See? Now you'll smell like a flower.
Oh, I'm all ready.
Hold up. You didn't do your lips, silly.
My lips. With this? Okay. Well, I like the color. This seems a little strange, but if it will make me prettier. How How do I look?
Oh God, no! Let me help!
Oh, you're a professional. I'm ready.
Bye, honey! I wonder what's left in the beauty box. I want big lips too!
I saw him, but Hi.
Wow!
Wait, what?
Wow! You're so pretty and so strong. Let's go for a cookie, huh?
Uh-huh.
But I am pretty too.
Hi, beautiful.
Hi.
Let's grab a bite.